Good day everyone, I am Spencer Jisoo and today we will be discussing to you about the dining philosopher's problem. So what is dining philosopher's problem? Dining philosopher's problem is an act of synchronizing process execution so that no two processes have the same access to the associated data and resources is referred as process synchronization in operating system. Having two processes have the same associated data and resources is critical, and it could lead to other discrepancies in data sharing. That being the case, the modification that is being used by one process may or may not reflect it. When the other processes require the same shared data, the process must synchronize to avoid this conflict. So the solution for the dining philosopher's problem is semaphores, because semaphore is an integer which can solve critical sections.
So I'm Greg ALCANTARA from CPA2C, and I will discuss about the codes of dining philosophers. So here there are three states of the program. So these are the thinking, the hungry, and then the eating state. So it is clear that there would be three actions of the philosophers to execute. So as we can see, we define these states as their working action. And so the left and right command refers to the philosopher's movements. Also, we initialize the state n as a set of array numbers, which is the 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these numbers would represent the philosophers for us to control their actions. And so here in the void, each num is where the philosopher's state is hungry. As we can see naman, we are indicated as going to state hungry. So if the left and right side of the philosophers are not eating, and the other philosophers can do the action to eat, like this one. It is stated with this part of the code, which is here. This one. And in the state of phnum, it is the indicator of one philosopher is eating. So we're going to use the sleep method, which is here, so that it would take time for the other philosopher to wait until the other one is completely finished. So in the state of phnum equals eating, this one eating. That is the indicator of where the philosopher is currently eating. So it will so if we're going to define this one, it is the function of displaying the action, or it indicates that the other philosopher is eating. And So here in the state of being hungry, which is here, it is the process of being hungry of the one philosopher. So it will execute that someone is eating, so that the other philosopher would wait until the other one is done eating. So
Hi, I am Christian Aguilar from CPE2C. So here we are in the last process, which is the thinking. So this is where the loop takes place, this one. And the last part would be the execution of semaphore, this one here. So as you can see, this is the execution of semaphores. We declare that it has loops, which is used to create a philosopher's process over time, and it will be displayed to the end user to show the process of the philosophers. So we're going to try to run this one, which is the code. Then select C. So as you can see, we have the output here, which is the philosophers is thinking and eating, putting back the fork. So that would be the end of our discussion. Thank you and God bless.